Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for you, the best detox cleanse in the market, Renew Life Detox Cleanse More. If you're looking to reduce bloating, restore regularity, and experience overnight constipation relief, you're in the right place. Stick around as we dive into the details of this fantastic product. Renew Life Detox Cleanse More is your ticket to improved digestive health and overall wellness. It comes in a convenient capsule form, making it a hassle-free alternative to traditional detox teas. With its unique formula, it's designed to tackle bloating, occasional constipation, and help eliminate toxins from your body. Renew Life Detox Cleanse More is specially formulated to promote digestive health and regularity. It's like a reset button for your digestive tract. This supplement combines an advanced herbal formula with natural magnesium, which is known for its detoxifying properties. It's a powerful combination to help you feel lighter and more energized. If you occasionally struggle with constipation, this gut health supplement can work wonders for you. It promotes regularity and supports your body's natural detoxification process. Renew Life takes pride in the quality of its products. These vegetarian capsules guarantee potency, quality, and purity through the expiration date. Taking Renew Life Detox Cleanse More is a breeze. Just take 2 capsules at night, or start with 1 if you prefer a milder approach. Worried about dietary restrictions? No need to be. These capsules are gluten-free, dairy-free, and soy-free, making them suitable for a wide range of dietary preferences. Now, let's talk about how to use this product. As mentioned earlier, you can start with 1 capsule at night and increase to 2 capsules if needed. It's important to find the right dosage that works best for your body. In conclusion, Renew Life Detox Cleanse More is a game changer for those looking to improve their digestive health. It's a reliable and effective solution that can help reduce bloating, restore regularity, and provide overnight constipation relief. Plus, it's free from common allergens like gluten, dairy, and soy. If you're ready to take control of your digestive health and experience the benefits of Renew Life Detox Cleanse More, you can find it on Amazon.com. We've included the link in the video description for your convenience. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. If you have any questions or if there's a specific product you'd like us to review next, leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.